everyone. As you can see, we have a box from UNBREAKcable. I like what they've done here with the unbreak and then cable. But this is going to be a USB-C to lightning cable. We've got more and more devices now as far as chargers that are just USB-C. It's becoming the standard, which I'm very thankful for. USB-A is horrific, being able to, figure out which direction to plug the cable in with. So what we're going to do is unbox this cable here from UNBREAKcable, and then we'll also compare it to the standard Apple cable as well, just to see how that is. So this is a 1 meter cable, which I believe is what comes standard. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a standard Apple size. Yeah, that looks about 1 meter. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, I'm going to say again, this box, I think it looks really nice and it's very presentable with the gold and the black. So let's go ahead and just unbox it. I'm going to cheat. If you have any questions while going through this, make sure to ask down below. And if you're liking the video, make sure to like it. And awesome. It is a braided cable, which is nice. I'm always a fan of braided cables. So there is a 3-year warranty or a 36-month warranty, so that's awesome. And cool. All right, well, I will definitely be registering this product here. Let's go ahead and see what else we've got. This says, thank you for choosing. Yeah. So we got safety tips and stuff like that. Not that that's really that necessary. And then, as far as the cable itself, it comes nice. Got the wraps there. I like that the wire ties here, they're decent quality. So, and then it does come with the Velcro tie strap as well. So good on that. I'm a big fan of the fact that it is a braided cable. That's pretty much the only direction I go now. And it looks like, hopefully this is the case, because I'm going to peel it. Yeah, good. It does have plastic on there, so it makes it look really nice. Actually, really nice. Go ahead and take off the other one. Okay. So yeah, nice looking cables, but we won't really know until we plug it in. So USB-C, again, I like the fact that we've got USB-C as opposed to USB-A. Go ahead and plug that guy in over there. And my phone is right over here. We'll go ahead and plug that in. Charging right up. Awesome. I'm looking forward to seeing how this guy behaves. It's looking pretty good as of right now. And I will definitely let you guys know what I think over time. Like I said, one other thing I did want to do though is take a look at the cable compared to the standard Apple one. This portion here, I don't know what it's called, seems to be a little bit thicker. The cable junction, so right here where it crimps in, is definitely thicker on the UNBREAKcable, which should help over time as you get the wear and tear on that. And then on the other side, basically the same behavior. As you can see, I had a case on my phone. The extra depth on this was not an issue. So good on that. And then also in the crimp area, it is thicker, so it should handle more bends. Yeah. So happy with that. Also, if you've got a pet or something that likes to chew on the ends, I know I did. That helps with that. And the cable itself is also thicker. It should definitely help over time with how that helps. So that's probably why they're able to offer that 36-month or 3-year warranty. So I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description area if you're interested in the cable. It's not that expensive, so definitely less than an Apple cable, definitely on par with some of the other wire manufacturers out there as well. So if you're interested, take a look at that link. If you have any questions, ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, like Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series, but also home automation, electronics, going to theme parks, gaming, and that sort of thing as well. So if any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.